Stand up.
Put on your big boy pants.
Come on.
You want to act like a man.
I can't feel my legs.
You can feel your legs. I'll be back. I got a sledge in my truck.
That's bullshit, man. Bro, I was about to roll my window down and I sit there. I don't answer any questions.
Here we see an unsettling example of excessive force when officers confront a man who poses no visible threat. Instead of de-escalating, they resort to physical force, raising questions about their training and judgment. How often does authority overshadow the basic principle of protect and serve? The case involves a 65-year-old veteran who, after being approached by police officers during an apparent mental health crisis, was violently thrown to the ground, sustaining a severe neck injury that left him paralyzed.
Oh my God.
Yeah, kind of a bad day. Come on.
Okay. What are you doing, dude?
Sit down on the ground, and I'll bring a car
I didn't do
over.
nothing. Ow! Ow! Fuck! Quit fucking my arm! I didn't do nothing.
You can start going with the program.
Ouch! That hurts. Quit it. That fucking hurts,
It's
dude.
called pain compliance.
That
When
hurts,
you
dude.
stop resisting,
Ow! I'm not resisting.
The veteran, who had served his country with honor, was left defenseless and vulnerable when the police arrived. Despite his age, his apparent confusion, and the lack of any immediate threat posed to the officers, the police responded with unnecessary and extreme force. The officers forcefully tackled the elderly man to the ground, leading to a spinal injury that left him paralyzed.
Why are you doing this?
Because you're just not going with the program.
I am. Quit hurting me. You're hurting me right now.
Not
You're
hurting
hurting me, dude. You're hurting me. That hurts. That hurts. That fucking hurts, man. Jake,
Mr.
it hurts.
Gross, listen to me.
Quit fucking with me.
I'm not fucking with you.
Yeah, you are.
I'm telling you the way this is going to go. Would you like to shut your mouth and listen?
you are not in control of this situation.
You are under arrest for hit and run and DUI. You're about to get placed into a patrol car. I was going to walk you over there, but you decided you didn't want to go with the program. So now you're sitting here like a 3-year-old.
Ow, that hurts.
Okay?
I was
So,
walking.
listen.
That fucking hurts, man.
And it will continue to hurt if you don't shut up and listen. In a moment, I'm going to stand you up. You can cooperate with that, or we can do more of what we're doing. Would you like to do more of what we're doing, or would you like to stand up, sir?
What is even more disturbing is the lack of care following the incident. The body cam footage shows that the veteran, clearly in severe pain, was not provided with immediate medical assistance. Instead, the officer seemed indifferent to the severity of the situation.
Are we going to keep doing this?
I can't breathe.
Are we going to keep doing
I
this?
can't breathe.
You're talking, you're breathing.
You're talking, you can breathe. Okay, let's stand up. Stand up.
Put on your big boy pants.
on.
You want to act like a man.
Okay, let me up, please. Let me up, please. Yeah.
Stand up.
Stand up. Come on, you're a man. Be a man.
I can't feel my legs.
You can feel your legs.
All right, there's a wheelchair right behind you. You get to sit.
Stand up.
I can't feel my legs, dude. I'm sorry. I can't feel my legs. Dear God. Dear God, damn it, I can't feel my legs.
Come on. Don't forget your pasta box.
The escalating force causes the suspect to claim that he cannot feel his legs, an indication of possible severe injury. As the situation progresses, officers continue to downplay the significance of his condition, and instead of offering immediate medical attention, they focus on getting him into a patrol vehicle and on to further processing.
I can't feel my arms, sir.
Mr. Gross, we are done with your silly little games.
5 minutes, what'd you do?
He was assisted to the ground. No. Yeah, the nose thing just happened in the grass out there.
I can't feel my legs.
You can't feel your legs at all? You feel this? I need you to answer me. Wake up. Do you feel this? No? Feel that? No?
Do we want to just grab his arms and flop him up on the bed and then we can...
That just doesn't go more. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
All right, sit up. We're gonna move those cuffs around.
Fuck.
Come on, sit up for me, Mr. Gross. Sit up for me.
The police department's response to the incident has only added fuel to the fire. Rather than acknowledging the severity of the actions of their officers, the department has defended their conduct, claiming that the veteran was a threat. However, the body cam footage contradicts this narrative.
Doing a good job of it, though.
Will that work?
Yeah, it didn't show the bad thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's what.
He didn't quite have a normal reflex either, but he's kind of.
So I got a supervisor coming down, but aside from that, we'll just.
Yeah.
You guys slammed it.
I only slammed you on the ground one time, sir, and it was very controlled.
You need to listen to me. I can't not. I can't breathe my legs.
Do you have insurance at this time?
I have no veterans.
Okay.
I can't really talk. I need help. You gotta help me.
No, Eddie.
I can't move my legs. Please help me. Please help me, God.
Hold close
Please
again.
help me. I can't move my legs. Please help me.
You just started.
I'm done. I'm out of here. No, don't move. Don't tell me again you can't move.
I can't.
Mr. Gross, I'm going to explain something to you. We have to take your handcuffs off in order to put you on this bed. Okay? I'm going to take them off.
I can't move, man.
Here, I'll take this off right now.
Life, dude.
The officer's actions are shown to be completely disproportionate to the situation, and the justification for such force is non-existent. This defense is not only misleading but also reflects an ongoing culture within law enforcement that often seeks to protect officers at all costs, even when they are in the wrong.
I can't do this.
Are we going to just pull the blue sheet and slide him over? Or? He says he can't feel his legs.
Yeah, I can't feel my leg. I swear.
You need like lift people for this, or?
I swear to God, I can't feel my leg, dude. I cannot.
Okay, well, we can slide them straight across if that works for you, and then we can use the white sheet to go back, right?
You guys feel like, oh my God.
All right, we're going to slide you off. Mr. Gross, listen to me. Listen. We're going to slide you on this. We're going to slide you over onto this.
I love my kid. I go ahead, man. I can't. I can't feel. Oh my God, I can't feel my legs. What the fuck happened to me? Oh my God, dear Lord. Please.
The suspect police officers in this case are alleged to have violated laws related to excessive use of force, as well as failure to provide appropriate medical care following an injury. Specifically, the officers may have violated provisions under the Criminal Code, Chapter 9, Section 21, Excessive Force, which addresses the abuse of power by law enforcement officials. Under this section, the penalty for such violations includes imprisonment, fines, and possible termination from duty. In addition, the Health and Safety Act, Chapter 14, Section 30 mandates that individuals in custody must receive immediate medical attention if injured, which was clearly not the case here. Given that the veteran was not promptly given the necessary care, this too constitutes a violation under the law, leading to further charges of negligence. This case is a powerful reminder of the importance of knowing your legal rights. Up next, a shocking incident will reveal surprising errors made by the police. It's heartbreaking and infuriating to hear about a 71-year-old man being violently thrown out of his home by police, despite being confused and harmless. The sheer disregard for his dignity and safety is beyond troubling, and the abuse of power in this situation is deeply upsetting.
I'll be back. I got a sledge in my truck. Hang on. That person coming to the door.
Got one coming to the door. Is that him going upstairs?
The situation is deeply frustrating and infuriating. Mr. Piglia's wife, dealing with dementia, made a tragic mistake, yet the officers responded with aggression. Ignoring the circumstances and her mental state, they escalated the situation unnecessarily. Their reckless actions only worsened an already difficult moment.
I don't know, I can't see.
Mike just went upstairs. Try a door.
Open the door!
Open the door!
That's him!
Subject inside. He's inside. All right. Come to the door.
Come to the door!
Open the door.
Open the door! Let's see your hands! Come out here!
As Mr. Piglia, confused and in his bathrobe, answered the door, the officers physically pulled him out and threw him down the steps. The brutality of this action, captured on body cam footage, resulted in severe injuries to the elderly man. Instead of properly assessing the situation, the officers used violent force, which was entirely disproportionate to the scenario.
Get on the ground!
That is September 2019. Serpigilia says he was in the kitchen drinking coffee, reading the newspaper.
To further compound the injustice, the officers lied about the incident in their reports, claiming Mr. Piglia had lost his footing and fell on his own. The footage, however, clearly shows that they forcefully pushed him down the steps, exposing their attempt to cover up their excessive use of force.
I'm behind you. Stop! I got your back. No, everybody else in the house. Someone cuff him. Here's cuffs. Start. Everybody else in the house. Put cuffs on. No, your wife. Please. Anybody else? What's wrong with your wife? I can't breathe. I got 2 hours. There's one. Got 2 hours. Give me your other hand. Give us your other hand. Hey, I live here in the room. You are nuts. And you busted my. What the hell is your deal? Jesus Christ.
The officer's failure to consider Mr. Piglia's age and health is deeply troubling. As an elderly man, he was likely confused, yet they escalated the situation without a second thought. The complete lack of empathy and understanding is both sad and infuriating, given the circumstances he was facing.
So nobody kicked the door in? Oh, okay.
He went by us and then started going up steps. So we started ordering him through the door to come down and open the door. He opened the door. We started giving him command to get on the ground.
Okay.
And he was non-compliant, so we told him to step outside. He wouldn't step outside. So Bill grabbed him, came out. He lost his footing, fell to the ground.
Okay.
And then we just basically took him in custody.
All right. I was told that you all kicked the door in.
J-Town initially started to kick the door in. It wouldn't for it. So
okay.
We went to go get alternative measures.
Okay.
And we initially saw him go up the stairs. When we started again trying to gain answers, he was at the top of the stairs, go come to the door, and he's like, "What are y'all?" He ended up coming down to the door, and we gave him several commands to open the door. And Dave said, wouldn't come out, wouldn't get on the ground.
This case underscores the critical need to protect civil rights and ensure transparency in law enforcement. A fair and just society relies on mutual respect and understanding between the police and citizens.
No, that's bullshit, man. Bro, I was about to roll my window down and I sit there. I don't answer any questions. What am I doing that's a problem? I'm standing in the fucking grass. You can't sleep. It's not a place to camp out. I'm not camping. It's only you're sleeping. You told me you're sleeping.
On the morning of December 10th, 2019, in Frederick, Maryland, Officer Sophia Labe and her colleagues from the Frederick County Police Department pulled over YouTuber Rolando Bass, accusing him of failing to stop at a red light before making a right turn.
I feel like pulling off, not with my fucking window down. Out of here.
Window down.
I'm not. No.
Open the door.
No. What you grabbing my shit for? Why you grabbing my doors like that?
What are you doing? Open the door.
No.
Roll down that window so he can talk to you.
My window is down so he can talk to me. It's not my fault he's scared to approach. You got guns. You got your hands on guns and you expect me to just... Nah, that's fucking crazy. Nah, man. Y'all sitting here looking like y'all ready to shoot me. You because I won't roll the window down some more? Come up here. You just walked up here. Why is he scared to walk up here? That's bullshit, man. Fuck out of here. Now you don't got no problem walking up here.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing, bro? I was about to roll my window down and I sit there. You put your window down with your gun on your head.
I asked you before I even went for my gun.
Well,
what is the problem with
it? Is it a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
After being pulled over, Bass partially lowered his window to hand over his license and registration. When officers asked him to lower it further, he refused, citing safety concerns, leading to increased tension.
Well, I didn't know that.
You're trying to protect ourselves. A stop that would have been a warning.
I'm trying to protect myself. I'm trying to protect myself, bro.
How are you doing that by not rolling your windows down?
I ain't even see y'all behind me.
Registration.
Here you go. You want to answer that question? You want to cut yourself off and me off while I'm answering your question?
Registration.
Oh, all right. There you go. It's been ready for you the whole time.
Playing games for no reason.
I'm not playing any games.
Yeah, you are. It's a simple command. Roll your windows down just so I could make sure that I don't have any threats coming up to the vehicle.
I ain't like your approach. I ain't like your approach.
How are you protecting yourself by not doing a simple order?
Bruh, I feel like I should have pulled off.
That's a bad idea.
Hey, I don't give a if that keep me alive. You putting your hands on your... Bro, I had 2 men with guns at the back of my car telling me to roll my window down. That makes perfect sense for me to just do it. I should have pulled the fuck over. That's not my problem. It's not illegal for me to have my window up. You a cop, you should know that. He mad as shit. Fuck out of here.
Bass's refusal to fully lower the window escalated tensions. Officer Labe asked him to open the door, extinguish his cigarette, and stop recording with his GoPro. Bass questioned the legality of these requests, further heightening the situation.
Hey, what's up, partner?
What's up?
What you up to, man?
What's going on?
You going to work or what?
I'm just doing my thing.
Huh? I can't hear you too well.
How you doing? Hey, what's your name and badge number, sir?
What's up, Barrera 0505?
Barrera? How you doing, man? My name Rolando.
Yeah. When's the last time you smoked marijuana, man? It's pretty strong coming out of your car, bud.
Yeah, I believe that's.
You still got any left in the vehicle?
I don't smoke weed.
I mean, I can smell it though.
Maybe you.
When's the last time you smoked marijuana? Maybe you smell
those. You don't smell no weed in this car.
Is that what you're smoking now?
Yeah.
The old hemp?
Yeah.
I mean, it's the odor, dude. Is there anything else left in the car?
Illegal in this car.
Okay. You live in Frederick?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay, that's fine. You can hang tight, alright?
Alright, thank you. They pulled the old I smell weed, bro. Oh.
The police claimed they smelled marijuana from Bass's car, justifying a search, despite Maryland decriminalizing possession of under 10 grams in 2014. The smell still allowed searches, especially if other illegal activity was suspected.
I'm gonna give you your commands. I need you to follow them. Turn the vehicle off.
You asked me to step out of the car?
Not yet. I'm telling you to turn the vehicle off. Put that out for me. Is your door open?
No, it's not.
You need to do that for me right now.
Are you pulling me out the car?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. You should have said that in the first. You talking to me like I'm fucking 3 years old or something.
Keep that rolling, but it's not gonna be in your hand.
Keep it rolling, but it's not gonna be in my hand. All right, I'm glad you
Unlock
told
the
me.
door now, please.
But you would have said you already told me you taking my camera out of my hand.
Unlock the door now. Airlock it. No. I'm giving you commands. I need you to listen to them. Are you clear?
Yo, what's the commands, man? I got shit to do. What's up?
Cool. Interlock your fingers behind your head. Interlock your fingers behind your head.
All right, what's good? It's gonna be petty.
Why in your stance? Why didn't your stance? Do you know what that means?
I just did, man. Stop. Hey, yo, bro, you're not gonna get nowhere with me acting like that.
After conducting the search, no illegal substances or weapons were found in Bass's car. However, Officer Labe still issued Bass a traffic citation for failing to stop at the red light before making a right turn.
It's wasting my fucking time.
We're not doing all that right here. I need you to stand right here.
Well, I'm standing off the street.
I don't need you to. Just stand right here, man.
I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not gonna move, bro.
Right, you're gonna stand right here. You ain't gonna stand here and just record what and do what you want.
I'm not just gonna record and do what I want.
Right
this
here.
is not what. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
All right, well stand right here, bud. I don't want.
You telling me to stand in this? You don't want me at his window. I'm at his window.
Look, I've been.
Lock me up if it's illegal.
I've been respectful with you. I'm asking you.
And
to
until
stand
you
right
just
here.
push me and yell at me.
Listening.
What am I doing? That's a problem. I'm standing in the fucking grass. You can't even justify telling me to stand on the street. I'm not gonna stand here. I'm gonna stand back from this window.
Stand right here.
Get out of here, yo. Can't impede my right to record. That's simple as that. I'm not.
Your attitude is gonna get this reaction.
My attitude
is
going to get this reaction. You going to get my reaction every time people talk to me like that. My attitude is not against the law. Now you've been respectful this whole time. Why don't you keep it professional and stop trying to impede my right to record?
Why don't you keep it professional? Stop
I'm not
doing
fucking professional.
Bass appealed the ticket but was still found guilty and ordered to pay a $115.50 fine. Officer Labe was seen as acting within her authority but faced criticism for her hostile demeanor. Bass, although uncooperative, remained calm throughout the encounter, avoiding further escalation. The legality of the order to lower the car window remains unclear.
You took an oath to uphold the Constitution. You should respect that. But you find it disrespectful, as you said. That's terrible. It's all good. It's not your fault. You weren't well educated. What you got for me? And what's your name?
LeBay.
LeBay? That's cute.
581.
Right. What you got?
Here you go. That's your copy. Do you want to take it or not? Do you want to take it?
Stop.
Do you want to take this?
Can you hold it still so I can read it? Because you ain't explained it to me, which is the professional way to do it. That's protocol. Oh, it's failure to stop it. Oh, let's do this. All right.
Yep.
Good luck
Have a
proving
nice
that
day.
one. You have a good day. Fuck you very much.
Yep.
Fucking asshole. Can't stand the motherfuckers, yo.
The actions of the officers in this case raise concerns about the overreach of authority, particularly regarding lawful orders. while the officers referenced Maryland's transportation law, section 21 to 103, which mandates compliance with lawful police orders. The ambiguity surrounding what qualifies as a lawful order is problematic. Under the vagueness doctrine established by the U.S. Supreme Court in Johnson v. United States 2015, any law lacking clear guidelines on punishable conduct violates due process. The unclear nature of the officer's commands could be seen as arbitrary enforcement, potentially infringing on the principle of equal protection. Additionally, Section 4406 of the Maryland Constitution prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures, and the officer's decision to search Mr. Bass's vehicle based solely on the odor of marijuana without further evidence is questionable given Maryland's decriminalization of marijuana. The officer's failure to follow stricter guidelines for probable cause, as clarified in Lewis v. State 2020, may open them to civil liabilities for violating Mr. Bass's constitutional rights. Such violations can result in civil lawsuits, disciplinary action, or even criminal charges under 42 U.S. CSS 1983, which permits citizens to sue public officials for infringing upon their rights. Legal experts advocate for clearer statutory guidelines to prevent ambiguous interpretations of lawful orders and to safeguard citizens' rights during police interactions.
Oh, bitch, bro. Hey, hey, look, he's still out here watching me. I'm making sure all my shit together. He mad as shit. Hey, look, hold on. Huh? Why were you out of the car? No, you right, look. The one with the glasses, he gonna learn though. He'll learn though. Man, they called me drifting this motherfucker. I ain't even gonna, but the tickets he wrote is different from what the fuck I have. Yeah, of course. All that. Bro? Yeah.
Bass's case serves as a reminder that every citizen should be well versed in their rights and the law to prevent situations like his. Now let's dive into the story of another well-known YouTuber, whose experience is sure to leave you astonished. The incident occurred in August 2022, when YouTuber Travis Hines was approached by Turtle Lake, Wisconsin Police Chief Al Gabe while Hines was resting in his car. The police chief accused Hines of loitering and claimed he was violating the village's assembly ordinance.
10-4. What brings you to Turtle Lake from Washington?
See, that's my hand. Oh, rainy out here, huh?
A little bit.
Take a little bit on, huh? Alright, here, I guess I'll get out.
No, you don't need to get out, but you got some ID?
It's uncomfortable sitting like so.
Well, you're in here sleeping like that.
Laying down.
Got some ID?
What's the law about?
You can't loiter in our town.
Okay, is that what ordinance the park says?
That's our village ordinance.
Can't loiter in our town? Okay.
Bottom line, just get in your car and get out of Turtle Lake.
Chief Gabe sternly demanded Hines' ID, accusing him of violating Turtle Lake's loitering ordinance for lingering too long in a public space. With escalating intensity, Gabe ordered Hines to leave immediately, warning him that refusal would lead to immediate consequences.
You guys are really crazy. No, we're not. I mean, this is a regular.
You don't want to ID yourself, so let's get back in your car, take your stuff, and head out of here.
I'm willing to exchange information with you. I mean, if you want to exchange information, I mean, I could do that with you.
Let's go.
Go where?
Out of town.
I haven't even marked a place to go. I was going to be.
Well, you need to just leave town then.
I was going to go back to the library. So
no, you've overstayed your welcome here on Turtle Lake.
I've overstayed my welcome in Turtle Lake. I think you're going crazy here.
No,
on this an ordinance. I'm getting.
You're loitering in our town. We have an ordinance for people that loiter here.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's look it up. We got the internet here. Let's go.
Hines asked the officer whether he had been called to the scene or approached on his own, but police have the right to investigate based on personal observation. Gabe instructed Hines to leave Turtle Lake, threatening to arrest him if he did not comply.
You said Is there what?
You're loitering here.
You
You have no business here. This is sleep. This is not a place to camp out.
I'm not camping. It's only
You're sleeping. You told me you're sleeping.
I was resting.
Well, you've been here since 8 o'clock this morning. This car's been parked here.
So what? Yeah, it's rainy, huh?
Yeah. So let's go. Head out of town. You find somewhere else to rest.
We get things arranged. I don't want to stand there.
Hines tried to stay calm, offering to exchange information, but the escalating tension and looming threat of arrest forced him to reluctantly comply. In the end, he left Turtle Lake to avoid confrontation.
Highway's 2 blocks out that way. You got on US Highway 863. Go to US Highway. So.
Is it east or something?
You can go in any direction.
A little bit of a tight turn.
All you do is turn your tire to the right and you'll get right out.
Travis Hines posted a video of the incident on YouTube, urging his audience to contact the Turtle Lake authorities. After public outcry, the village council suspended the loitering ordinance, launched an investigation into Chief Gabe, and considered revising other regulations. Gabe retired in January 2023 before the investigation's results were released. The council was praised for its swift actions in protecting citizens' rights.
All right.
In 400 feet, turn left on...
Have you ever wondered what happens when a citizen's basic rights clash with police authority? A tense situation unfolded, sparking much debate about law enforcement and the respect for civil rights. This story will make you reflect on the fine line between authority and justice. On November 29th, 2022, Ogden police received a false report about a home foreclosure, leading officers to inspect the property of an elderly couple. The homeowners clearly explained that the report was incorrect, but the police still demanded identification to verify their identity.
What can I do for you, sir?
So are you guys supposed to be here?
Supposed to be where?
This house.
Our kid just came from the garage.
Your kid came from the garage?
I just came from the garage.
Yeah, is this your residence?
Yeah, that's my house. That's my garage.
Okay, you...
What are you doing?
We got a complaint that this house was foreclosed on?
No, the house isn't foreclosed on.
Alright. You guys mind hanging tight for a second?
Well, I've got to go.
Where you gotta go? What's that?
What difference does that
It's closed
make
to
where I gotta
occupancy?
go?
So, yeah, you guys should not be here.
What do you mean I shouldn't
So
be?
there's a closed to occupancy.
I was back in the back.
Well, for this property.
No, it
It's
doesn't
closed
say
for
that.
Yes, it does. It's on the front door. Partner just told me that. Hey! Shut your car off.
Although the elderly couple explained the status of their property, the officers still demanded the homeowners present their driver's licenses. This led to tension between the two sides, as the homeowners felt the request was unlawful and infringed upon their rights.
No, get out of the car. Come on. Come on.
Now, what's with you?
We're getting down to what's going on here, all right?
I am leaving. I've got a place to go.
Hey, it doesn't matter. We got this to take care of right now.
What is this?
No, sir.
Am I free to go?
No, you are not free to go. You are detained right now. We're trying to investigate.
If I'm not under
what is your
arrest,
name?
I'm free to go.
No, you are not. You are detained right now for investigation.
For what?
Ma'am.
What investigation? For hell's sakes, you dumb shit.
If you stop yelling, I'm trying to explain to you. We got a complaint from the neighbor, said his house has been foreclosed on. No one should be here. You guys are here. And there is a no occupancy sign on the door, so...
And what makes you think I've been in there?
That's the property. No trespassing.
Yes, that's my sign I put up.
So you're the owner of this property?
I am.
What is your name? You got a driver's license on you.
I do.
Can I get that from you?
I'm not driving.
You have to identify yourself.
You need to identify yourself. Stand over there. Ma'am.
The homeowner, Mr. Breen, refused to hand over his driver's license because he believed he had the right to retain it, only showing it to the police without having to surrender it. This is in accordance with Utah law, where citizens are required to present, but not surrender, their identification.
Maybe I am.
Okay, so we're gonna figure that out.
I will show you my driver's license.
Perfect.
I will not give it to you.
Okay, you need that.
There it is.
Your name, your date of birth, and your address.
Sir?
Hey.
I told you I wasn't giving it to you.
Well, I took it.
Yes,
Hey. Stop.
This is stop grabbing.
Hey.
Stop grabbing me right now.
Chill out, man.
I'm not grabbing you. I'm not. Oh.
There. Your arm.
Do that.
Well, come on and hurry up.
Get away right now. Get back or you will be arrested.
Tell me I can't breathe. Can you grab me? You do something.
Roll on your side. There you go. I'm gonna get you on your knees and stand you up, all right? 1, 2, 3, stand up, sir.
Although Utah law does not require the surrender of identification, the officers used excessive force to take Mr. Breen's driver's license. This action resulted in him being injured, including sustaining permanent damage.
Are you going to give me my driver's license back?
In a second.
All right, that was 1 second.
We already asked for the FCR to come out. We'll have to talk to them and stuff now since it's...
So, if this house was foreclosed on, you're
No,
not
it
supposed to
isn't.
be here.
It's not foreclosed on.
All right.
I pay the taxes on it, and it's not foreclosed.
Okay. So since you're saying this is your residence, are you the owner,
I
renter?
am the owner.
Your name's on the deed?
It is.
Okay.
It's under a trust, and I am the trustee.
All right, go.
Can you wait with him for a second? We're going to pull our car up.
Yep.
And that's what you guys do.
Can you give me my license back, please?
In a second. Reason to confer.
After the incident, Mr. Breen was arrested and charged with interfering with a public servant. He contested these charges, asserting that his refusal to hand over his driver's license was a lawful act and simply an affirmation of his rights.
That's fine, you don't need to sign. We have between 5 and 14 business days.
Doesn't that say this is not an information and will not be used in information without your permission?
You don't have to sign.
You don't have to sign.
It's not an admission of guilt.
Yeah, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just saying you'll acknowledge, you'll contact the courts to get it taken care of. Like I said, no sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14.
Would you read that bottom right there?
Where do you need? Right here?
No, further down.
This citation is not information, will not be used as information without your consent. If an information is filled and you're provided a copy of the court, you must appear court on or before the time set of this citation. If you fail to appear to court, an issue warrant will be issued for your arrest.
I want, this is not an information, will not be used in information without my permission. I will not,
No sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14 days, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. I recommend contacting the court.
I would recommend you guys please leave.
That's what we're trying to do.
From a legal perspective, the Ogden Police Department's actions in this case seem to have violated several specific legal provisions. Utah Code SS 533217, titled Display of License, requires that a driver only needs to display their driver's license upon request from a law enforcement officer, not to physically surrender it. The officer's insistence on Mr. Breen handing over his license, despite it being unnecessary by law, represents a misapplication of this statute. Additionally, the use of excessive force by the officers raises serious concerns under Utah Code SS 765102, which criminalizes assault and battery by a law enforcement officer and mandates that the force used must be reasonable and necessary, standards clearly not met in this case. Given Mr. Breen's significant injuries, including permanent rotator cuff damage and facial lacerations. Moreover, Under Utah Code SS 76-8-305.5, interference with arresting officer charges of interference require clear evidence of obstruction or resistance. The charge against Mr. Breen appears questionable considering his non-physical resistance and verbal assertion of his rights. Overall, the officer's actions seem to contravene established legal standards regarding the display of identification and the use of force, underscoring the need for adherence to legal protections to safeguard civil liberties.
Fight? How the hell am I going to fight? I'm a 78-year-old man.
Grab the post right there, Mr. Breen.
What?
Let's get this handcuffs
Grab
off
your
you.
post. Get the
Pull out
cuffs
the
off.
post. We don't want you to fall.
All right. You guys really ought to be proud of yourself.
Your ID and wallet is on your hood, along with your citation.
Yeah.
Take care, Mr. Breen.
Take the citation with you.
Nope, that's yours, sir.
Mr. Breen filed a lawsuit against the Ogden Police Department in November 2023. The lawsuit alleges that the officers abused their authority and used unreasonable force, while also seeking justice and compensation for the injuries he sustained. However, incidents of police officers committing errors during their duties persist. Let's now examine a situation where officers, despite violating the law themselves, continue to evade accountability. On August 7, 2020, deputies Dalton Martin and Jordan Horn visited Donnie Harrison and his wife, Ventress, at their rental home to question them about 4 marijuana sativa plants discovered nearby. Both individuals denied any involvement in growing the marijuana plants.
Preposterous. Wait. It's ridiculous to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not ridiculous
Your
over
first
here.
name. I'm not giving you my information. Sir, if you refuse to give me your information, I'm going to arrest you. That's fine. My property has nothing to do with any marijuana whatsoever. Jason Tart, what is your date of birth?
Just a question, ma'am.
Yeah, well, I get that. And so then my only question to you is your names, just so it's okay in my own heart and mind. And when I say the season we're living in, you know the season we're living in.
Y'all looking for something over here at his house?
All right, what's your name, sir?
Jason Tart.
Jason Tart.
Tart.
And what do you mean by the season we're living in, ma'am?
Sir. What do you need? You got any questions for me?
No, I'll collect some information from you in a minute, your name and date of birth and such. You own these 2 homes, correct?
What do these 2 homes got to do with that?
These 2 homes is near that marijuana grove, so I'd just like to have your name. It's related to that marijuana grove, so you have to give me your name and date of birth by law.
Jason Tart, the homeowner and a former military police officer, arrived at the scene and was asked to provide personal information. Tart refused to give his date of birth, although he provided his name, leading to tension between him and the police.
I don't understand why you're being argumentative about giving me your name and date of birth.
I'm not.
It's simple.
Well, you scared me. I mean,
Scared you?
Who says that?
By asking you a question?
Who comes up and asks? That's crazy.
And it scared you?
I'm trying to understand what
it scared you by me asking you a question.
Growing marijuana?
And that's a question.
What does these houses on my property got? Did you find it on my property? It's near your property.
Yeah.
Well, what they got to do with the question?
Oh, here.
I do, yeah. To say somebody scared you because they asked you a question is ridiculous.
That's preposterous.
Go ahead and give me your name, sir.
Wait.
First name.
It's ridiculous to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's not ridiculous.
Your first name.
I'm not giving you my information.
Sir, if you refuse to give me your information, I'm going to arrest you.
That's fine. My property has nothing to do with any marijuana whatsoever.
The police claimed that Mr. Tart was obligated to provide personal information according to the law. However, West Virginia does not have a law requiring citizens to provide identification to the police unless there is a specific lawful reason, leading to his arrest on charges of obstruction.
Jason Tart, what is your date of birth? I'm going to arrest you if you don't give me your name and date of birth.
You're going to arrest me if I don't give you my name and date of birth?
It's obstructing an officer.
How?
Because you're hindering me from doing my job. You're hindering me from...
How am I hindering you from doing your job if it's not on my property?
Last chance to give me your name and date of birth, sir.
How am I hindering you?
Sir, last chance to give me your name and date of birth.
How am I hindering you?
Place your hands behind your back. Place your hands behind your back. Are you going to give me your name and date of birth?
Take me to jail. You're right. I'm hindering you from doing your job. Please.
I'll see if I can find you my name first.
No, I'm hindering you from doing your job.
Really going out
Mr. Tart was arrested by the police for refusing to provide his date of birth, with charges of obstructing law enforcement. The arrest took place right in front of his house in an area known as the curtilage, which is typically protected under the Fourth Amendment.
Go inside. Go inside. No, go inside as of right now.
Tell me why.
Go inside.
What are you doing,
Step off
man?
the porch. Step off the porch.
I'll step off.
Go inside.
What are you doing? This is unnecessary for
Sir,
you to be
go
doing
inside.
This. He's standing on his own porch.
Go inside.
Don't come in my house.
Go inside. Step back. Go inside.
Look, that's completely uncalled for.
Come on.
Look, man, don't. Listen.
Sir,
you don't have to listen,
You're
man.
being recorded.
Listen. Listen. I can walk. Without you putting your damn hands on me. You understand?
To the vehicle.
I have not broken the law.
Walk to the vehicle. Well, walk to the vehicle, sir. You're being recorded.
Hands on me. I give you no reason to touch me.
When Donnie Harrison began filming the conversation, the police forced him into the house, preventing him from recording. This raises questions about the right to film the police, which has not yet been clearly established in West Virginia.
Please place your hands behind your back.
My hand is behind my...
Place your
it
hands
only
behind
takes one of you.
Place your hands...
Look, let him do it. All right? Take your hands off me.
That's fine. Okay.
Let him do it. I think he got an alternative motive, please.
Okay. Let's walk this way. He owns two properties right here on this Baptist Drive road after you pass the second concrete bridge on the right. We located a marijuana grow probably not 100 foot, 50 foot from this last property of his, and he just won't give us his name, date of birth.
Jason Tart was charged with obstruction, but the case was dismissed due to the police not appearing in court. On August 9th, 2022, Mr. Tart and his family filed a lawsuit against the involved officers. The officers may face legal disputes over violating Mr. Tart and his family's constitutional rights. While the possibility of immunity may arise, the lawsuit will clarify issues surrounding civil rights and police misconduct.
Something, man. Here's my fucking life. Here's my shit, bro. Y'all live man. Y'all just want to do this. I'm literally exercising, bro.
A woman called 911 about a suspicious man in black, wearing a ski mask and carrying a backpack. She believed he was hiding a gun and crouching behind a bush near Walgreens. Concerned, she reported it to the police. Officers arrived and found a man walking on the sidewalk listening to music and exercising.
Oh yeah, right there. Oh, that's it. Is that a black guy? Is that black hands? Because it said white male.
How you doing? It's going alright. Did you see anybody out here with like a face mask or something?
Yeah.
Did he leave?
There was a guy who had a big radio and blasting that rap crop. And then he came by this way and I was avoiding him like the plague.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. He went that way somewhere.
Appreciate it. So that would check out.
An officer asked him to stop, lower the volume of his music, and answer questions related to the report. The man remained calm, but showed frustration. He asserted that he had the right to cover his face and walk on the sidewalk without being harassed by the police. He also stated that he was unarmed and had not violated any laws.
I got you, okay? I'm exercising, okay? Can y'all understand that? I'm on a public sidewalk. Maybe, I know you're looking at things, right? But you're not listening. I get it. I came out my... I can't... Nobody's here to listen. It's the IDF.
I'll listen to your story after I identify you.
I don't understand. I'm
asking you for your identification.
But that's
we have a lawful reason to stop out with you.
You do have a lawful reason? What is it? What did I do?
What
did I do?
So what I'm telling you, bro, is this goes one of two ways, right?
Is it not?
Do you want to listen? Because no one's been nothing but respectful to you. So we get your ID or you end up going to jail for resisting.
I don't have my ID on me, brother. That's what I'm telling you. I don't understand what you want, man. I live right there, bro, in Aviles. I just left my house. I'm literally jogging with the radio going, right? I got water bottles all in my backpack, bro. What the fuck? Look, guns, boom, boom, palazo, cabron. I don't understand. Can I go? I literally don't even feel.
After a brief argument, the police suddenly proceeded to restrain and handcuff the man without providing a valid reason. Despite the absence of any signs of danger or criminal activity, the officers applied forceful measures, causing the man to become upset and repeatedly insist that he had done nothing wrong.
I don't have my ID on me, bro. Oh, man, bro. I got... Shut the fuck up. I'm getting something, man. Here's my fucking light. Here's my shit, bro. Saley, right there, man. Aviles, bro. Y'all just want to do this. I'm literally exercising, bro. I could excite your life.
Immediately after handcuffing him, the police began searching the man's backpack despite his lack of consent. They conducted a thorough inspection but found no weapons. When questioned about the legality of the search, an officer stated that they had the right to do so because of the 911 call reporting a suspicious gun. After failing to find any evidence of a crime, the police decided to release him. However, instead of offering an apology or explanation, one officer simply said, "You can call the police department to request the body cam footage if you want." This attitude left the man frustrated, feeling that he had been treated unfairly and that his civil rights had been disrespected.
My name. If someone verified my name, tell them my name. So I don't believe anybody gonna believe me at all. What you want to do? But I don't understand. You can check me. You can check me, pat me down, bro. Fuck, man. That's what I got. If they don't like or something, I'm just fucking literally. If you would just. And I'm wrong or not.
There is an extent.
Whether I am wrong or not, it's up to you.
Yeah, but it is up to us. And there's an extent where you are allowed to or not. When you get a call, a lawful call, but
can I have your information and stuff?
We'll give it to you.
All right,
Gonzalez 214, Elite 269, Jones 234.
I need like a paperwork. It's too much. I'm exhausted.
It's all on you.
Running, actually running, but you don't care, bro. I'm here because you brought me here. From where? From who? The next black car I see?
You can call in the non-emergency line and get all the information.
From a legal standpoint, the officers in this case violated multiple constitutional protections and laws, including the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unlawful searches and seizures. Any evidence obtained illegally is inadmissible in court, and officers could face civil lawsuits for misconduct. They also engaged in unlawful detainment under Florida Statutes 901.151 by detaining the individual without reasonable suspicion of a crime, making them liable for a potential civil rights lawsuit under 42 U.S.C. 1983. Additionally, their abuse of authority and coercion, in violation of Florida Statutes 843.02, involved threatening arrest without just cause, which, if challenged, could lead to disciplinary measures or civil liability. Furthermore, their act of tampering with evidence by muting their body cameras, potentially to avoid accountability, could be considered evidence tampering under Florida Statutes 918.13. Subjecting them to internal investigations, loss of credibility in court cases, and possible termination. In this case, the police officers could be accused of offenses such as unlawful detention, illegal search, wrongful arrest, abuse of authority, and misconduct. If the victim files a lawsuit, they may face civil penalties, including financial compensation. If sufficient evidence is found, they could be subject to criminal investigation, prosecution, or even termination. Civil rights organizations may also demand reforms to prevent similar incidents in the future. Another case of police misconduct in Florida once again demonstrates that those in power are the ones who dictate the law.
If he could have been the one that shot us over fucking base, he wasn't not here. Oh my God, if we already fucking dead or hurt, you took care of it. I want your bad girl, I want it all. This don't make no motherfucking sense here. Baby, just be quiet.
The incident took place at a Target store, where a man was approached and arrested by the police on suspicion of stealing a shopping cart. Although the man insisted that the cart had belonged to him for a long time, the officers quickly drew their guns and handcuffed him without providing any evidence.
Just be quiet. Don't let ain't taking nothing. Do your investigation, sir. Don't do that. Thank you. Don't do that. I want that information right now. Thank you. Oh, her, and him. I want it all. It don't matter what the fuck is missing. I want all of that information. And I mean it. I want everybody back. Shit don't make no motherfucking sense, man.
False arrest.
Huh?
False arrest.
Yeah. He come across the street, hand on the gun and everything. For what? What you got your hand on your gun for? Oh, a fucking basket?
Police harassment, false arrest here, guys. That's what sounds like I'm hearing.
A woman who witnessed the incident strongly objected, claiming that the police were harassing and wrongfully arresting the man. "Why are you handcuffing him without a valid reason?" she loudly questioned, demanding further information about the situation.
I don't care about him, all right?
What you mean? If he could have been the one that shot us over a fucking basket, one not here. Oh my God, and we already, you took care of it. I want your bad girl, I want it all. This don't make no motherfucking sense here. Baby, just be quiet. Just be quiet. Just be quiet. I'm telling you, you throwing the fuck out of me. And I mean that. Look. It sounds like over a motherfucking bag, a dirty ass bag that we had almost 4 years. Come on.
After checking and finding no signs of a crime, the police were forced to release the man. However, instead of apologizing, the officers laughed and displayed an unserious attitude. One of them even mocked the man and told him to leave, further escalating tensions.
Said the police walked up to them with their pistol out. A false arrest, guys.
Fuck y'all talking about? Everybody don't fucking steal.
Police up here harassing people in Target.
Two dumb bitches talking about we stole out of fucking this dirty ass grocery store. Hand on a gun, running across the street.
They about to shoot him for that blue basket right there. They said he stole the basket.
Why not worry about him? I know, I understand.
It's not, you over there laughing. He over there laughing, as y'all see, after he done false arrested this man right here. The sergeant, or whoever the hell he is over there with the lieutenant, because that's 2 bars. He over there laughing at the man. They accuse this man of stealing this basket right here. Arrest him, pull a gun out on him.
This makes sense. If we walk around with stacks of hundreds and a bank robbery just...
These police here, they're over here now, but they just got through shooting this clinic up over here, and these guys over here harassing.
I want every single person that's here.
Harassing someone.
While the police were focused on this minor incident, a nearby clinic had just been attacked by gunfire. Rather than investigating the serious shooting, law enforcement chose to spend their time checking a shopping cart.
The clinic just got shot up over there. Y'all ain't looking for them guys?
Motherfuckers get shot every motherfucking day.
Oh, they ain't looking for that.
I want to see how tough you really is. What y'all want like all this right here over a basket?
Police harassment here today, guys. We caught a nice one. I was just heading in the house. Everybody over there think it's funny. Both of them laughing like it's funny.
We don't shop here. Just because we had a bag that looked like
Police harassment uptown DC at Target, and they had just got through shooting. And instead of the police looking for the guys that just shot that clinic up, they're over here harassing somebody instead of looking for those guys that just shot that clinic up over there. They're over here looking in somebody's basket instead of searching Washington DC, trying to find out who just shot a clinic up here. I heard about it. I rode over here fast as I could to report this news for you all. And this is what we get.
The officers involved in this incident could be considered in violation of several offenses or misconducts, including unlawful detention, abuse of power, and unnecessary use or threat of force. If thoroughly investigated, those involved could face internal disciplinary actions, civil lawsuits, or even criminal charges depending on the severity of their misconduct. The case is currently under investigation.
Go back to your car.
What's
You're
your
cussing
name?
at me in public, disorderly conduct.
bitch.
You're gonna go to jail. Go to jail.
2 in the chest all day long.
Surprise. Oh, okay. We can't search your bud.
Nope, it's off. I turned it off.
Okay.
In January 2022, a man named Mr. Diddy came across a Macomb County Police patrol car parked in an empty lot. He decided to approach it to film and asked the officer to provide their name. While Diddy used offensive language, it did not exceed the protections of free speech under the law.
Step away from the car.
I'm in public. I'm good.
Step away from the car.
This a crime scene?
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
Who are you?
Go back to your car.
Can I get your name
Go
for a
back to your
complaint?
car.
Can I get your name for a
Go
complaint?
back to your car.
Who are you? What's your name?
Go back to your car. I'm telling you right now.
I want to write a complaint. What's your name?
No complaints here. Just go back to
Dude,
your car.
you're a fucking weenie, bro.
Go back to your car.
What's
You're
your
cussing
name?
at me in public, disorderly
Yeah,
conduct.
bitch.
You're gonna go to jail. Go to jail.
Put your hands in. Oh, you fucked up.
No, that's exactly what's going on.
Instead of responding professionally, the officer reacted by arresting Mr. Diddy for disorderly conduct. However, verbal insults alone are not sufficient legal grounds to constitute this offense, particularly when directed at a police officer, as officers cannot typically be considered victims under such charges.
Man, you're an idiot.
You got ID on you? You have ID on you?
Supervisor.
Okay, you got a supervisor coming right now.
Yeah, call him.
You want to call me a fucking idiot, huh?
You are a fucking idiot.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Say it again, dude. I love how you just come out
fucking idiot.
here. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good to know.
You're a bitch with a gun. Get out of my pocket. Get out of my
You got
pocket.
weapons on you too? What else you got?
Man, this is a Fourth Amendment violation.
Okay, that's fantastic.
You're violating my
That's
rights.
absolutely
You're
fantastic.
gonna lose your qualified immunity.
Okay. You're gonna lose yours too.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we will see.
Listen to scanners and come mess with the police, huh? That's what you want to do? That's what you want to do? Huh?
Hey, quick push.
I'm not sure who jumped out of that car. I'm not sure. Was there anybody else in there or not? You looking for a place warm to stay tonight?
Man.
What's that?
You got a flat.
What do you think the tow truck's here?
You got one too? Go ahead, step in. Should have left his clown mask on. Come on, step up. I thought he was about to rob me.
Y'all got body cameras rolling?
Do you?
You don't see them?
You know how it works. Okay.
Tuck in.
When a backup officer arrived at the scene, he made a dangerous and unprofessional statement. If anyone approaches me with a camera, I'll put 2 rounds in their chest. This statement was not only threatening but also reflected an attitude of abuse of authority and the potential for unnecessary use of force.
2 in the chest all day long.
Surprise. Oh, okay. We can't search your bud.
Nope, it's off. I turned it off.
Okay. You can have a conversation with him, like, listen, man, like, this is gonna get you killed.
But if you, and that's, calling him, I'm like, dude, you come up on me and I'm a ski mask and that in your hand, I'm putting.
But I'm explaining to you, you showed up on an officer by himself. Oh. You're not in a shooting or something worse. That camera setup you got there, that's
dangerous.
You're not suicidal, are you?
After arresting Mr. Diddy, the officers conducted a search of his belongings without legal justification. This action severely violated the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which protects citizens against unlawful searches and seizures.
I understand what you do and why you do it, but at the same time, you got to think about your family and yourself. Absolutely. Like I said, I would have took that as a gun a long time. Just looking at your YouTube, that's a violation of their privacy. You think those people want their picture posted all over YouTube? No, I don't force feelings. Oh, you're going to switch it around. I see what you're doing. I believe in karma.
The police released Mr. Diddy after realizing their misconduct, but later rearrested him based on a spring-assisted knife found during the illegal search. The officers also turned off their body cameras to have a private conversation, raising suspicions of concealing wrongful actions and a lack of transparency.
What's going on? You guys are tripping again, man.
Possession of a spring-loaded
Look
knife.
the law up. Updated 2017.
I believe in karma. What goes around comes around. It seems like you're trying to get karma, because there's going to be somebody else out here that's not as good that's going to see that as a gun. Alright, change your plans.
Tripping again, man.
No, you have possession of a spring-loaded knife.
From a legal standpoint, the actions of the Macomb County deputies violated several fundamental protections enshrined in both federal and state law. Arresting Mr. Diddy for exercising his right to film and criticize public officials constitutes a First Amendment violation under 40 U.S.C. 1983. As federal courts have consistently upheld the public's right to record public officials in public spaces, officers who infringe upon this right risk losing qualified immunity and facing civil lawsuits with monetary damages awarded to victims. Additionally, the deputy's search and seizure of Mr. Diddy's property without probable cause violated his Fourth Amendment protections, rendering any evidence obtained inadmissible under the exclusionary rule and exposing the officers to liability under 40 U.S.C. 1983. As well as the department to potential civil lawsuits. At the state level, their actions violated Michigan Penal Code Minkle 750.479, which prohibits misuse of authority by applying disorderly conduct charges to situations where police officers cannot be considered victims based solely on verbal insults, reflecting an abuse of discretion, and Minkle 750.539d, as their suggestion that Mr. Diddy violated privacy laws by filming public officials was baseless, given Michigan law explicitly allows filming public officials in public spaces unless private areas are intruded upon, highlighting either a lack of legal knowledge or bad faith by the officers. This incident exposed multiple violations, including baseless arrest, unlawful search, and public threats by officers. The body camera footage provided clear evidence of the abuse of power and disregard for citizens' rights. The case has heightened public pressure on law enforcement agencies to ensure accountability and respect for the law. Recent cases of unlawful police stops, searches, and detentions raise concerns about civil rights violations. Law enforcement must be held accountable for fairness, transparency, and justice. Citizens must speak up and demand reforms to protect their fundamental rights. Hey everyone, what are your thoughts on this situation? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for more engaging and informative content coming your way. Thanks for all your support.